This video demonstrates that the MagicMixTTS Pro application is free of malware and viruses. As you can see, the setup file is downloaded and the installation process begins. The license agreement is accepted and the application is installed on the computer. During the installation, there are no warnings from the system's security software. After the installation is complete, a virus and threat protection scan is run using Windows Security. The scan shows that there are no current threats on the system. The allowed threats history is also clear, indicating that no malicious files have been quarantined or allowed to run. Finally, the MagicMixTTS Pro application is launched and activated successfully, further confirming that the software is safe and ready to use. Understanding false positives. Occasionally, an antivirus program might incorrectly identify a safe application as malicious. This is known as a false positive. False positives can occur for several reasons, and it's helpful to understand why they might happen even with legitimate software. One common reason for false positives is a security feature called heuristic analysis. Instead of only looking for exact matches to known viruses, heuristic scanning looks for behaviors or code structures that are similar to those found in malware. This educated guess approach helps detect new and unknown threats, but can sometimes flag innocent programs that exhibit similar behaviors. For example, an application that needs to extract files to a temporary folder during installation might be flagged because some malware uses a similar technique. Another factor can be the reputation of the application or its developer. Applications that are new or haven't been widely distributed may not have an established reputation with antivirus vendors. Similarly, applications created by individual developers or small companies may be treated with more suspicion than those from large, well-known corporations.